Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today in the kitchen I'll be sharing a recipe for my Guyanese style curried chicken. Let's get started. So let's get started with the recipe, guys. Here I have prepared my chicken. It's already washed and seasoned. I'll show you the process in just a minute. I have here some potatoes. I'll be using curry powder, garam masala, some geera or cumin. I have here some onions, garlic, fresh herbs, which are thyme, scallion, parsley, cilantro, and some wiri peppers. For the seasoning, I have chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, complete seasoning, black pepper, and some mushroom seasoning. So here's how I prepared my chicken. First, I washed thoroughly, and I have here some black pepper, salt, chicken bouillon, complete seasoning. I added that to the chicken along with 3 tablespoons of fresh green seasoning. The link for the green seasoning will be listed down below for those that are interested. Once I went in there and combined everything, I covered it and allowed it to sit and marinate for about 3 to 4 hours. Next, I added 1 tablespoon of fresh green seasoning to the curry powders, the geera and the masala, along with some water, and I mixed that into a paste-like consistency, and this is how I usually cook my curry. Now to a preheated pot with some oil, I will add the curry paste in there, mix well, and allow this to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. I always want to make sure that my curry is thoroughly cooked before I start adding the meats and the rest of the ingredients. But first we'll add a little onions and garlic here, just for that nice flavor and taste in the curry. And you want to, just like I said, allow to go for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring consistently. Once the curry turns like a nice dark brown and the oil starts to separate, that's how you know that it's ready. Now we will add our chicken in there. You would give it a little toss, cover, and allow the chicken to cook until it releases all the moisture. So this here has been going for about 15 or 20 minutes, and it had released a lot of moisture, which I allowed some of the moisture to evaporate, but I can't allow all of it to evaporate or else my chicken might turn to mush. You know, I have to add the potatoes and the rest of the ingredients and allow this to cook some more. So if you overcook it and allow it to cook too much, the chicken will just start falling apart, and I don't want that. So now, like I said, I will add my potatoes, onions, my garlic, fresh herbs, the peppers. We will add some seasoning to add flavor and taste. Remember to season to your own liking. You can taste it once you add your liquid, and if you feel like you need more seasoning, you can go ahead and do that. So once all of those are added, we will add some hot water just so we don't slow up the cooking temperature. Give it a little toss, make sure everything is nicely incorporated, and then we will sit the lid on and allow this to cook until the potatoes are tender and everything has become one with each other. So after simmering on low heat for about 20 more minutes, the curry chicken is finally done. It smells absolutely divine, and I can't wait to dig in. Trust me, you guys will not regret trying the recipe. It is so simple with limited ingredients. I did pair mine up with some plain white rice and a fresh cucumber and tomato salad. I added some achar on the side, and this was mouth-watering delicious. I can't wait for you all to try the recipe. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.